So if anything at all do me, I could have a mosquito bite me right now. I'm hand swell up. I make my authority deal with it. Just like I'm going to deal with Uno. I make you know that from now.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. There's 3 news I want to share with you quick and fast. One, the police they missed them in a Wago style. The man them chase a man on a bike in Grangeville, Westmoreland and accidentally dash a old man. The police then slamming a light poster and then flip the vehicle, flip over and drop on an old man. She lost her life. What do you guys think are supposed to go on with them policemen? Honestly, I do not know the full details of this story. However, I understand that it's not on the main road. It's in some community. So obviously them probably see them bike man. Maybe they're chasing because him do something. I just hope them realize they messed up, because at the end of the day, brother, you chase a man and you see you can't hold him. Why you feel like if you go over 100 and lit down a light post with a fan flip over and drop on the old man, that's your old man. I don't like them style, man. Them if you take one of a front line. Look on the van front, yeah man, this footage is actually from the scene. As you can see, the van cross the road and the whole of the front mash up, so it's slamming on one light post up more and flip on the side, go down this. So a Walter flip, drop on the yellow man. So before I share Queen Ifrika video, now Medikk, remember the dancehall artist, right? Female missing a couple days, well now, maybe 12, 14, I'm not sure still. However, this individual made a statement on the internet and in Japan a hot water star. That's what the individual write on the internet. It goes by the name PilotBeats, the producer, beat maker, and on the internet. The man says style my G too much, plus him warn you and you still got F on the G. Cause your own life. Ladies, no man not take certain this style or whatever. So best if you hold your own because mental health real and then everybody can take certain style. Now, this statement actually make reference to Medikk, the female. So is it that he's saying that him friend dash your Medikk because Medikk will give away the kitty? Honestly, that kind of strange, but him found out and I say, oh, nothing like that, man. I'm actually a burn out the flag of them Shelly and rapper crap of them I put out the video. This thing is actually viral right now on TikTok all over and everybody are run with it. Why I'm telling you, say the man Bella a song already I say just make him post and mean it that way, then everybody are run with him thing and but why would you make a post like this in a time like now when you realize the lady missing and the people I'm actually look for her? Why would you say something like this? Unless of course you know exactly what up, like me not understand this. I don't understand the reference. You talk about your friend. Who is your friend with that shred the girl or which girl will go lose her life because you'll give her a kitty?
Alright people, me name DJ Pilot and I'm there to make a public statement. Especially to all the bloggers them where I tarnish my name and I drag my name and I mash up my career. Alright? Yeah, I'm a music producer, yeah. To all of them bloggers this. Rapper Crapper, Anthony, Shelly, who else? I remember a TikTok one name and the other rest of them on Instagram and them some of there. Hey boy Rapper Crapper and Spot J.A. where you want name. You're not Syrupy, so don't call up my name rude boy. You're not Syrupy. Notice Syrupy get him fax them right before you go public with them. You just tarnish my name and jog my name down, brother. As I say, make a comment and turn the narrative of the comment, dog. As I say, you everybody. As I say, and I tarnish my name and I screenshot my thing, them, I screenshot my picture and I put. Yo, I know if anything do me, I don't know my people, them I go deal with, That's what I say, because I'm a public figure. Understand? So if anything at all do me, I could have a mosquito bite me right now. I'm hand swell up. I make my authority deal with it. Just like I'm going to deal with Uno. I make you know that from now. So whoever have me thing them post up, please me I beg gonna take it down. I first and the last time that me ask Understand? I'm not Syrupy, so don't post me thing them. Understand? Me no want to go viral this way. I want to make me a trend right now. I need to trend that way there. That's what I say? Yeah. I want to screenshot my picture of them and them so I don't go public with them. As I say, I'm a juvenile, I don't want them to see them thing about them father. I don't know about no crime, I don't know about no Medikk. I don't know about the Medikk, man. First of all, I don't know Medikk, man. Or if she have, man. Social media and hear her name in a song. Understand? So now take this thing and I run with it and I run with my name and them someday. If I'm them not to appear on my mind. That's what I say. I want to take my thing them and run with them. I'm telling you, man. I don't know, I don't know no boy, I don't know no girl, I don't know call up my name and them someday. No tag me, no boy, no girl. That's what I say. I make my authority continue and do what them I do. and make who forget, because we know a blogger, so we don't want to go viral, or we don't want to get views or whatever, and we're going to get trending or plaque or whatever we don't want to get, man. Understand? Yeah. One just dark and illiterate dog. Like, me make a comment, yeah, and he come and say whatever, yeah. Yeah, I may write it, yes. But me write it as a random comment. Like, yeah, man, the dog tired of you, know, man. You see what I say? Yeah, man, because the dog been on you. Like, I don't know Medikk if Medikk have man or Medikk through social media and hear a name in a song. Understand? So now take this thing and I run with it and I run on our one. You see what I say? I don't know Medikk through Instagram and in a song. You see me? Me even go back in my message and say me have a message. Yeah, me do message her. Send her my song them for post or react to it, which she never answer none at all. You see what I say? So if any authority want to come take my phone and search my phone, I don't have a problem. Understand? Yeah, I don't know if Medikk man black, brown, blue or white. You see what I say? I see you know tag all Constabulary Force, Andrew Holiness, Bunting, JCF, and the man them not pay no money, no mind. As man say, you Shelly, Anthony, Rapper Crapper, Spot JA, and whoever else, please me I beg you no, just take down my picture, whatever, about DJ Pilot, and stop tarnish my career. Alright?
The problem with the statement, brother, is the fact that you mentioned, say, the dog been a one. You're like, which dog been a one? Who? You're coming from the female we're missing. So it sounds as if you know the people them. So you can't blame the blogger them or who put out this. Then you're going to say the people them they're intelligent. But listen to yourself. Go back and listen to your statement. Nothing intelligent about that if you're going to say, yo, the man been a one, yo. The man tired of you. Shouldn't give away kitty. Then you're going to forward back. No one has say you not even know the people them. So why make a statement like that in the first place if it never concern you? Now, Queen Ifrika, honestly, Queen Ifrika mentally strong, you know. Couple people are trying to bash her, but she followed the other day and she made some statement. She was talking about, you know, the whole situation and Foota. But she mentioned some touching details though. I know the country and the whole and how we look at certain things. You know, enough people don't really understand what she has said still, you know, because them not really have no experience. But long time if I check the channel, we did have some video upon crime and violence in Jamaica, and I did one on Andrew Only's crime plan. We tell you know, I did a separate video that me telling us, listen, Andrew Only's have a crime plan right now and it's going to affect the inner city youths them. Because it's not safe and it's not even a plan for help them, it's a plan for dash them way. Enough people say I'm foolish, me I thought the video is still on the channel, you can go check it out. But I'm glad to say somebody actually who in authority will go in the community them and actually get to talk to the youths them and understand what really are going. I'm glad Queen Ifrika did just that. Now the video I told you guys that Andrew is a whole heap of undercover police in the city them right now I seek information. I'm telling you, say this emergency thing when you see them at drop or Zozo all over the country. Really and truly there's a bigger agenda behind that. Some people say I'm foolish, me attack. Whole heap of intel and them a get that and they come to them and them a go back and dash them and them 1-1. Now we're not supposed to understand why I see so many videos pop up from the other day with police and dash your man. Remember, police gone in the community and just walk in and man was go wake them up and come up back. Yeah man, me telling you, you know. But nobody never believe. The problem with something like this, the intel them based on whatever findings the police them get and members say up innocent youth in the place too. So up a man will get turned over innocently. Simple as that. Now Queen Ifrika basically I say the people and can't even raise them voice in the community because of the presence of those police officers and how them a deal with it.
But they are being scattered up. So what we're asking, the support I want from you, Foota Hype, is not a Queen Ifrika Day. I want a let's go for Jamaica Day. Let's stand up fully for Jamaica Day. So I want you, Foota Hype, to investigate the Paramount Chief, Richard Curry, and investigate all those organizations that you're batting for and giving voice for. Investigate the PNP government coming in that the country is about to give the reins of the island to. Investigate more than talking about what Andrew them doing. Fly come to Jamaica and come see what happened on the rock youth. The inner city is dying, people. I'm talking to the diaspora, those who are in the diaspora. I really don't have any help in terms of the point that I'm trying to push to say that we need an organization that their main focus is going to be on the shining light on the injustices that is taking place in the parts of Jamaica that is being hidden from you, the parts of Jamaica that you're looking for, the parts of Jamaica that they are now feeding on TikTok and apps like those. It's everything that's happening. It's a deliberate rollout against the people of Jamaica, because they know the policeman. When I spoke to him last night, he told me that I wanted to start an insurrection in Jamaica and I want to overthrow the government. And it looked like it's the government I want, because I went to speak to him to ask him why are they doing this to the inner city. The youths in the inner city are so angry, they're so mad. And then in the background they have Valiant song, "I'm mad me, I'm mad out," a play in the background. So I want to say this morning to Babsy Grange. Babsy Grange, you're deliberately doing what you're doing to the women and children of Jamaica. You are deliberately doing what you're doing to the children of Jamaica, and I'm calling on you in the name of the Almighty God to stop. Miss Babsy Grange, take a look at what you are doing in the inner city to the garrison communities. You all have set up a distraction for the Jamaican people, so that everyone who is on the phone and that is in the diaspora, they are not seeing exactly what's happening on the ground here. So I am asking those in the diaspora that really truly love Jamaica and can fly to come to Jamaica, I would invite you to please, if you can come by yourself or come in our group, come down here and find us and let us take you and show you what is happening down here, and so that we can come together and form the necessary type of advocacy groups that it is going to take to intercept what the opposition and the government is now joined together and doing to Jamaican people in order to create the new Jamaica that they're creating. So as much as you had authentic people that went to the National Stadium to see Chris Brown the other night, it was a cult event set up to unleash the rest of demons on Jamaica to launch the New World Order officially. I'm begging from where I'm sitting. I'm at my 5, for those who have sense and can follow. I'm in 5D dimension. I am totally clear. All the things that have happened to me in my life have now become a memory to me. The one that I shared with you all the other day was a sad memory to me. It is now a sad memory to me. So I can share it without any repercussions. When I turned my phone off the other day and told you guys that I was going to finish my album, that's what I'm doing. But at the same time, I told you that it was hard to not look at what I am seeing and what the Almighty Creator is showing me. And I am not going to deny it to suit any situation or any outcome that anyone wants for Queen Ifrika. I am in it for the long haul. I am in it for the greater outcome. And all I am asking for now is a solid stand of us, the people, together, standing up in unity and love to save the Jamaicans that will be left behind and turned into slaves when they shall tell you officially what they are doing. They know that this island is an island of revolt. They know that this island has the ability to stand up and let governments everywhere in the world tremble. And they are using all of their powers to suppress the courage of the Jamaican people to fight for themselves and to stand for themselves.